Welcome. In front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to enable battery saver on this laptop. To do that, first right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, select Power and Sleep settings, then go to Energy Saver, and to enable it manually, just switch this toggle to the right. But if you want to enable the battery saver once your device reaches some level of charge of battery, so you can select it in this menu right here. You can also additionally lower screen brightness when you're using Energy Saver. If you don't like this option, you can disable it by switching the toggle to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.